Students, I hope a question from you. Actually, here is table. You are asked to fill up the blanks. All values are in joule, like Q 35 joule, W minus 15 joule. So you have to find out here what is UI, U F minus 10 and delta U means U F minus UI. So I hope I have given the answer. You can match your answer from the table. But remember, you have to do it yourself. I hope you will do it. I proceed further in this video. I have given you this question. Please, you can solve it very easily, but solve it. Only practice helps us, nothing else. Do practice good for good questions. Simply it is the application of first law of thermodynamics. Just I have told that heat given to system positive taken away negative like that. अगर यहाँ -15 है तो it means work is done on the system. And in equation you have to use first law Q equal to delta is equal to Q minus W. And delta U means I have written UI minus UF. So please do it yourself. Now I proceed further. Some more application of first law of thermodynamics. Some more application of first law. Number one means we have to estimate how the internal energy will change or will not change, and there are different processes like cyclic process, isobaric process, isobaric process, thermal, adiabatic. We have discussed all these things here. So first I take here cyclic process. Which process is cyclic? I have told you. Cyclic process. If we start from certain position of thermal system and after passing through different states, we return back to the original position, then that cycle is called cyclic process. The process in which we start from a given condition of thermal system, after passing through different state of system, we return back to the original state of the system. Then that is called cyclic process. Since internal energy U is the property of state. How do you achieve does not matter. So in cyclic process, UF is equal to UI and hence delta U is equal to 0. There occurs no change in energy. And from first law we have delta U is equal to Q minus W. If delta U 0, then Q is equal to W. Means if heat is given to system, then work will be positive, means work will be done. And in cyclic process, whatever the heat is given to system, that system uses in doing work against action pressure during expansion. You can write it. So during thermodynamic system, during cyclic process, during cyclic process. Cyclic process. Heat given to system. To system is used only to do work, or if work is negative, work is done by system, then heat. If work is done by system, but if work is done on system, it will be negative. So then heat will be given out. Taken. Sorry. If negative means work is done on system, so heat will be given out by system. Okay. So this is cyclic process. Now number 2 is isolated system. Isolated system. I have seen a question on this isolated system in IIT. Which system is called isolated? The system which does not interact with the outer atmosphere, means the system on which we cannot do any work, and it can neither take heat nor give heat. That is called isolated system. A system which can neither do nor can take or give heat, that is called isolated system. So, a system on which a system which can neither do work or nor takes or give, not take or give heat, energy, then system is isolated. System is isolated. And from first law, delta U equal to Q minus W. Both are 0 since Q equal to W equal to 0. So delta U 0 means there occur no change in internal energy. There was a question actually in IIT entrance exam. The system has 2 blocks insulated from outside. One block is filled by a gas. They are of equal volume. 2 blocks are of equal volume. Anyhow, however, there is an opening and the gas leaks from this to this. So how much is the change in energy? Because from outside no work has been done, no heat given to it, so change in energy 0 here. Simple answer, sir. This answer can be given by those who know about what is isolated system. Now the next important topic on which numerical generally asked, isobaric process. Isobaric process. This is very important topic for class 11 student in your own exam, internal exam, as well as for competition purpose. This question is very important. this process, sorry, isobaric process, the process in which change in system take place at constant pressure. The process which takes place at constant pressure is called isobaric. For example, boiling of liquid at constant atmospheric pressure. And fusion or melting. Ice melts at constant pressure, or water gets fused into ice at constant pressure. So such a process is called isobaric, or superheating of steam at constant pressure is isobaric. Now we consider here first the process of boiling at constant pressure. So how much will be the actually during boiling, water boils or any liquid boils at its boiling point. So temperature remain constant. Then how to find change in internal energy? In that process, how to find change in internal energy? So let m mass of liquid whose latent heat of boiling B capital L is boiled at its boiling point at constant atmospheric pressure. To heat given to boil and mass of liquid Q is equal to m into L. You know it very well. I have given a definition of latent heat. Now, if V small l and V small v be the volume of liquid and its vapor, then work done during in expansion W is equal to P into V minus VL. P into V minus VL. I will give an example here, you will get it. Then from first law of thermodynamics, from first law of thermodynamics, delta U is equal to Q minus W, delta QML, this is minus P into V minus VL. Vapor volume will be more than that of. So this application is very important. Questions are asked. Although everything is important in physics, nothing is to be rejected that we don't want to learn it. Everything has to be learned seriously. So this is the, now similarly in fusion, during fusion, liquid gives out heat, that Q is equal to minus ml. M is the mass of liquid and L is the solid. If we take a liquid as water, so during fusion, volume of water increases. Volume of water, when it turns into ice, so volume of ice is more than the volume of liquid for a given mass. So that work done P into V ice minus V water, and hence इनके P delta V. You can see from first law delta U is equal to क्या भाई Q minus W, यानी कि माइनस ml और माइनस P delta V. So this total will be minus means negative आएगा total. That means internal energy of water decreases during fusion. If it is boiling or melting, then water ice takes heat and their volume decreases. तो वहाँ V2 minus V1 negative positive, ये दोनों negative हैं. Delta V positive, pressure P is the atmospheric pressure. So these are two processes. Here I tell you a question on boiling process. There is a question here. 1 cc of water, 1 cc of water during boiling at 100 degrees centigrade and 1 atm, 1 atmosphere, converts into vapor into 1671 cc of, cc means cubic centimeter of vapor. If latent heat of boiling of water, boiling of water equal to 540 calorie per gram. Then calculate the increase in internal energy of water in boiling process. जी अच्छा भाई बना दिया ठीक ठीक अपना नंबर मेरा नंबर निकाल दो अपने ये होगा मेरा फोन भी हम का बोले हाँ बॉइलिंग प्रोसेस है ना। तो कैसे करेंगे आप इसको? सिंपल क्वेश्चन बस हम Q equal to process of 1 gram water, 1 gram water, 1 ग्राम वाटर का कैसे करेंगे? तो यार Q equal to ml, Q equal to ml 1 into 540. देखो ये कैलोरी में आ रहा है। Now change in volume. Delta V 1671 minus 1 cc. Volume of vapor minus volume of water. 1670 centimeter cube. Convert into meter cube. 1670 10 to power minus 6 meter cube. Because pressure into delta V will be in joule when pressure in Newton per meter square and delta V is meter cube. So W, delta W, P delta V, pressure 1 atm. You are given there 1 atm. You have to use 1.013 10 to power 5. So you put here 1.013 10 to the power 5 or into 167 10 to the power minus 5 हो जाएगा। तो minus 5 cancel, it 167 into 1.013. So nearly you can say it is 167 joule. Then delta U. Delta U is equal to Q minus W. Q is 540 calorie. 540 calorie, convert that into joule. 4.2 minus 167. This is the answer. So this question is very important. They can ask you calculate the change in internal energy of 1 kilogram water. Same data. 1 kilogram water. 1 kilogram water has volume, you know, by 1 gram 1 cc. So 1 kg 1000 cc. 1 kg water 1000 centimeter cube, and then 1 kg of steam at the vapor will have 1671 into 1000 cc. तो ये cc में आएगा. Convert that into meter cube. You can repeat this question. The video has become longer because of this question, but this is important question. Dear, practice it. Take other example from the book.